Hi, welcome to the beautiful El Castillo Hotel. This is a luxury hotel like no other. It's located in the village of Ojochal in the rainforest of Costa Rica. It has the best view that I believe you will ever see. This is the lobby area, and you immediately see the fantastic infinity pool that flows right into the ocean. They have year-round sunsets here, and people just come here to look at the sunsets. I wanted to show you the gorgeous lobby here. They have brand new furniture throughout, a big bar fully stocked, really nice sitting area, and of course outside is the ocean and the beautiful pool deck. As you walk in here, this is the outdoor dining area. Lots of space over here to watch the sunsets. This is the restaurant. It also has a gorgeous ocean view. The pool is steps out of here. This hotel has a full kitchen. There are 9 rooms and 10 bedrooms. Not only does it have an incredible ocean view, but it has a fantastic mountain view. Up here on the second floor, there are 5 rooms, 2 suites and 3 single rooms. We are in the upstairs room, which is a suite. It has its own living room and pull-out bed, and has a balcony in the back with that incredible mountain view again. And there's beautiful breezes through here. Then it has a private bedroom. All of the rooms do have air conditioning, but there is an exceptional breeze here. And the ocean is very close, as you can see. This is the upstairs suite. It's actually a 2-bedroom. It also has a fabulous ocean view. 8 of the rooms have ocean views. Then there's a garden view room. The incredible mountain view. And here's the other bedroom. There are 2 private rooms down below with a spa where you can have massages and all sorts of body work done. They also have their own private pool. I'd like to show you the lower 2 rooms. They each have their own balcony. And this is the room. Extra big pull-out sofa. If you need another bed, king-size bed. and a large shower, toilet area, and sink. Very comfortable. This is the couple spa area. Wonderfully air-conditioned. You and your partner can have joint massages. The hotel will arrange everything for you, make you very comfortable.